to program the remedē device to off, on, or monitor mode on a remedē model 1001. The initial segment of this video will concentrate on turning off the remedē device. Follow these simple steps. Step 1, interrogate the device. Step 2, navigate to mode, select off, and press program. The following step is optional, but if you ever need to document the current parameter settings or indicate that the device is in off mode, proceed to File in the Tool pull-down menu and select Print Current Settings. Once the device is turned off, simply close the Respicardia program or application. The second segment of this video will focus on how to turn on the remedē device and restore its parameter settings. It's worth noting that you can use any programmer to reactivate therapy and restore parameter settings. Here are the steps for turning on the remedē device and restoring the remedē device parameter settings. Step 1, interrogate the remedē device. Step 2, navigate to mode, select therapy, and press program. Before exiting the programmer, take a moment to review the device parameter settings. Final segment of this video will focus on how to place the device in monitor mode. The steps are similar to turning the remedē device off or on. Step 1, interrogate the remedē device. Step 2, navigate to mode, select monitor, and press program. As a good rule of thumb, before exiting the programmer, take a moment to review the device parameter settings and adjust accordingly. This video has demonstrated the steps for turning off, turning on, and restoring device parameter settings, as well as placing the remedē device in monitor mode.